Stop waiting for someone to come save you. Stop waiting for a workout partner. Stop waiting for your friends to validate your goals. Stop holding your life on pause because the people around you are comfortable staying average. The truth you're avoiding? Nobody cares about your future as much as you do. If you want a life that 99% of people will never have, you have to be willing to do what 99% of people are too terrified to do. Do it alone. Most people live in a state of dependency. They only hit the gym if their friend goes. They only start the business if someone agrees to be a co-founder. They only change their habits if their environment approves. But every time you wait for someone else's permission to move, you hand over control of your destiny. When you depend on others for motivation, you become vulnerable to their weakness. If they drop out, you drop out. If they quit, you give up. Loneliness isn't your enemy, it's your filter. It separates the people who talk about big dreams from the few who are actually willing to execute them. Enter your monk era. Doing it alone doesn't mean hating the world. It means disconnecting from the noise long enough to build something real. When you cut out the distractions, the fake friends, the weekend drinking, the group chats that feed you mindless gossip, something dangerous happens. You gain absolute clarity. You learn to tolerate your own thoughts. You stop seeking cheap dopamine to fill the void. You realize that solitude isn't isolation, it's focus. When you train alone, read alone, and build alone, your work becomes pure. No posturing, no flex, just raw, relentless progress. Here are the 3 non-negotiable rules for moving solo starting today. Rule number 1, silence your moves. Stop announcing your goals to people who aren't on the same mission. Build in the dark. Let your results shatter the silence. Rule number 2, normalize uncomfortability. Sitting in a quiet room without your phone feels painful because your mind isn't used to peace. Embrace that friction. That is where growth lives. Rule number 3, become self-sustaining. Be your own hype man, your own coach, and your own critic. If nobody claps for you, clap for yourself and keep working. The crowd didn't build your dreams, and the crowd won't live with your regret. The path to the top is narrow. It was never meant to fit everyone. Put your head down, lock in, do it alone.